How to change or remove payout account in Facebook page. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update or edit your Facebook payout account. First, you need to go ahead and open your Meta Business Suite, or you can also install the application if you're using your mobile device. Log into your account. Then from the left-hand side of the screen, tap on All Tools option. You'll see several options. Go to Billings and Payments that you will find under Manage below the Apps option. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to a new page. Here, you should see 3 different options of accounts, payment methods, and payment activity. Go to Payment Methods and go ahead and select your account. This will again take you to the new page. And from this page, tap on Add Payment Method. Here, you'll get different options of debit or credit card. You can select any one of them and tap on Next. If you have a payment method added, you can remove or edit it, and you will need to enter the payment method details, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.